All right, so I'll be using my 5x5 mighty hoops. Right, I already have them loaded. All right, so we're just gonna load them up on the machine. All right, so we're gonna load machine number one, machine number two, and then number three. All right, so right now I'm gonna load up the design. So I already have the USB. So I'm gonna go to designs. I'm gonna go to machine. I'm gonna go back because that's the latest one, and I'm gonna hit. All right. So it seems like I can fit multiple in one hoop. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna double it. All right. So I'm gonna go here, number two. And then to space it out, I'm gonna try about 50 and see how that work out. All right, let me see. All right, so I'm just gonna center it. So I'm getting basically 2 in every hoop. So that means I'll have a total of 6, right? 2, 4, 6, total of 6 patches on one run. All right, so I already put all the colors in. I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna turn it on. All right, and then I'm gonna let it run. All right. All right, so now that we have done finished stitching out, so now we're going to add the adhesive. So first we're going to remove the tearaway. All right, and then we have the heat and bond, which will be applied. done, right? Just smooth the edges out. So this is the final stitch out. So we made about 2, right? So we having a 250 follow giveaway, right? To celebrate growing our community. I'm giving away this custom patch hat that I made from scratch, right? So all you have to do is just follow my page, Stitch Pieces, like the video, comment what you put on your own custom patch, all right? And then I'll give it away to the 250th follower, all right? So like and comment and subscribe, all right? Good luck.